Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys an easy way to get the Style Showdown set on Dress to Impress. So I've said it a lot, but it is easier if there's only 6 players in the game. Like right now there's I think 6 players only if I'm not mistaken. So if you play at night on like your time zone, I think it is a little bit easier because like less people are playing. So right now it's 11 p.m. ish, I think, around 11, and there's not a lot of people playing. So okay, there's only 5 people playing, so it is easier to win Style Showdown. I've already gotten all of it, like I've gotten the full set already. But if there's less player, there's more chance of you winning. Also, if you play with friends, there's also more chance of you winning if they vote for you. I don't know how your friends are, but mine like voted for me. Also, if you don't mind, I'm just gonna open up a candy here because I need candy to keep me awake. I love orange gummies. Anyways, I'm just going to turn on my... Okay, it's on. The round theme is bright. Okay. I'm gonna be like a sun or something. I don't know. But you're just going to dress to impress. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. I'm gonna be... Oh my god. I can't... Oh, what? Wait. Okay, there we go. I was like, what? Why can't I style myself? For the outfit, I'm just going to recolor everything that I have here into like an orange kind of moment. I think I'm gonna remove that one, and then for this one I'll do orange. Then obviously for the lips I'm changing the color. Where is it? Oh, to orange. For the sun look, I keep using this hair, but it's good. All right, so okay, that's bright. I'm just going to use this because I feel like I don't have time. My god, let me just change the other color of the hair to like a more reddish glow. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna use this for the sun. Kind of want this color to be like, you know what? I'm gonna just do this because I don't got all day. Also, you only have 3 minutes, so like keep that in mind. Can I make these neon? Like I'm not... Oh, I can. Okay, not everything I can make neon, but some of them I can. I don't know what else to add, like if I'm being honest. I feel like I don't have time to really add that much. Maybe some accessories. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? That's good enough for me. It's bright. Like, look how bright I am. So, yeah, just dress up really good and pray for the best, I guess. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like... Oh my gosh, there's only 2 or 3 people? What's going on? Well, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.